Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis on GameStop. And, I've been doing, excuse me, oh my god, I just burped right there. It's not doing too much since we dropped here from like 35 all the way back down to 29. Kind of just consolidating sideways, waiting for a big move, I guess. It's either going to take another leg down into our buy area, but so far it did hit in the after hours perfectly. So I don't know if we are going to come back down. Could already be just getting gearing up for another move higher. We'll know tomorrow. Some people are starting to correlate the price of GameStop to Bitcoin, which is I guess since they announced it, Bitcoin dropped and GameStop kind of dropped, and Bitcoin got a small bounce, and GameStop's got a small bounce too. But then again, we don't really know. It's not really one-to-one yet, and again, we probably need more data to, if you guys are gonna make an exact correlation to it. And I think Bitcoin's actually gonna get, maybe another leg back up. Gold's getting some sort of pop tonight. We'll see if it double corrects or if it is gonna go higher. Commodities go up, most likely crypto and all these other ones are gonna go up too, but we'll see. Patience. So right now I have GameStop finished in this corrective move down. Oops. In this B wave, complete C leg, either truncated on cash hours or it's going to get another leg down tomorrow, erase divergence, and then we're going to be in the dip buy back into 27.25, right? But we'll see. And then we can take a look at Market Cipher. So now this is where it starts to get a little bit interesting. So Market Cipher monthly, right, this new monthly candle is very bullish indeed. You have a 15 and a -5 on the dual band strength index, showing tremendous upside potentially coming, right? That's what the monthly candle is showing. When we take a look at the weekly, we have been getting some nice weekly price action in the last weeks of May. First week of June, pretty flat candle, 7 and a 2. Actually leaning more on the bearish side than the bullish side. However, you have some green money flow now coming back in. So it's not all lost, right? People are going to get a real bearish real quick after this drop. I still don't think it's a write-off, like it's over, it's going to crash. No, I don't think that at all. In fact, I think that this pullback that we're getting is a reaccumulation that's happening. You can certainly see nice green money flow continuing to increase on the daily, even with this big drop happening here. The RSI is very tight, looking good. 4-hour time frame, you still got green money flow, and again, obviously it's a little bit choppy right now, but we'll know tomorrow or by the end of the week where GameStop really wants to go. If it starts to do 1-2s, then you might be gearing up for a big move higher again, another leg up. Or if it ends with no divergence like this and you make a lower high, then I guess it's some sort of much more bearish pattern and shit's gonna hit the fan like we wouldn't believe, and maybe something else is gonna happen in the market that we don't know, black swans, maybe something like that. That's the reason it's all gonna break back down, but we don't know. Anyways, when we take a look here on Wave Edge, nothing on the weekly chart so far. 4-day, 3-day, 2-day time frame. Actually, the 3-day has a red cross here. Quite interesting. The 2-day and the daily don't have any new signals. We take a look at the 4-hour time frame. You got this green cross at the lows. You saw some upside. Now you're starting to see a pullback coming back in. 1-hour time frame, you got a bit of a red cross at the peak here, hitting this order block. Now you're coming back down. You're hitting support. Right, we're supporting this order block, so we'll see if we eat through it tomorrow, gap down lower, or if we gap and run, and we can come back up into this order block and really start to test the shorts or the sellers or whoever started unloading a bunch. Right, it's kind of funny. I did see someone kept posting that another company announced that they bought Bitcoin and their stock went up 600%. And then GameStop announces they bought Bitcoin with only 10% of their cash versus like 100%, and their stock goes down. This stock goes down. How much? How much would we go down again? Like to 19%, 18% from the peak. So it's kind of crazy, you know. It's obviously lots of selling pressure here in GameStop, and I think you know, this is not warranted. But hey, people can do whatever they want. When we take a look, finally, just kind of wrapping things up here, I just want to note that if it is playing out in a more bearish pattern, then it is going to be very painful for quite a while, right? Means that we're going to come back down to like 17 or something, which I really don't think that's the case. I think the more likely is that we go up from here, and we you know, maybe hit like 46 or something like that. But again, it's lots of speculation on my part, really not backed by too much in terms of like fundamentals or technicals, because the technicals are right here. We're not trading the future, we're trading what's right in front of us. And again, what's right in front of us right now is some dip buy for the cash markets, or you know, it's already hit in the after hours, and we're not gonna hit it again. We've hit stuff previously in the after hours. Let me see if we can extend it back, right? And we've blown through it. One that's quite nice is actually, I think, the Qs, the triple Qs. We hit a box, like a short area in the after hours, and you can see like sometimes in that's it, you know, because this was right during the after hours during the Trump speech, and you know, the whole day I was watching the markets like, man, it's not going to hit the short area. It's not going to hit the short area. Well, you know what? It hit the short area right into the after hours, and it was a disaster afterwards. So maybe, hopefully, we can get something like that in GameStop, where we hit the boxes in the after hours, and it's just like go time, right? Well, that would probably require crypto and Bitcoin to go up as well. But again, we're going to sit on our hands, let the charts decide, see what happens, and then we'll go from there. All right? Peace. Have a good night, everyone.